Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Somebody said in the comments underneath one video, this guy works on so many tacos, the channel should be renamed Taco Maintenance or something like that. So I started counting. He's right, I have Tacomas here all day long. And this is new customer, friends of friends, 97 Tacoma V6 5VZFE manual 4-wheel drive with 270,000 miles. And as everybody can expect, or everybody knows, the engine runs perfectly. It even looks the original coils at 270,000 miles. Original ignition coils. They are correct twin-tip spark plugs. The baby purrs like a kitten and have no coats and ready for smoke. The owner is friend of the friend, and he basically heard about me, our YouTube channel, and he said, I own it for a while, but I would like to have a thorough inspection, but also I have a pretty serious power steering oil leak. I asked him, hey, how much you are losing? And he said, well, it depends how I drive. If I drive on the highway, it's not so bad. But if I will go just around the town, I will have to keep adding that power steering fluid, which is, he's putting correctly, Dextron 3 in it, the red one. I will have to put it, start topping it off once a week. So I'm concerned about it. I would like you, Peter, to find out where it is from and how much it will cost to repair. And I made a mistake today that I didn't film one step which I just did. So I confirmed there was a fluid all over here on this side as it was sitting and I was working on the engine. Oh, you see that drip? Did you just see that drip? Look at my floor. This is nothing. I said, okay, I will go and try to find out. He said, hey, I think it's one of the lines over there. I think one of them is leaking. The bottom one seems to be wet. So I think it's coming from there. I said, okay, I will do my best to find out for you. So I came here and I saw this one is partially wet. It's a reman that also gives us, right? It doesn't look old. If you look, the dust, dirt, and so on, which is elsewhere, couldn't set or settle on this area yet. So I don't know how old it is. Hopefully, I will say hopefully, he has a paperwork for this. Who did this? Because this completely failed. Just yesterday, we filmed doing bushings on his friend's 4Runner. You saw the video yesterday. Today comes this friend, and it's a Rack&Pinion problem. This is what happened, and I wish the camera was rolling. I removed the steel clamp, because what you don't see, here on the top, it's completely ripped. This boot is garbage. But I removed that steel clamp and I wish the camcorder was sitting, well, in the distance. Because there is like a 1/3 of the quart of Dextron 3 in that garbage can which was under. I pulled on this. Well, this is still good drama. I like it. Do you see it coming down? So we know that that's not the line which is supplying the pressure line, which is supplying the rack. The seals inside of this rack. If you will look there inside, which I cannot show you, both of them are shot. Why am I saying both of them? Because listen, this side. There is a fluid in this one too. You can hear it. It's slashing. What's the word for that? It just is full of leaking fluid. It's really bad. I will show that rip. See it right there? Should be wearing gloves, but that's the filming. You cannot keep just switching those gloves and so on. So, I don't know how old it is. I hope he has paperwork. This should be replaced under the warranty. I'm assuming this one has a limited warranty. Even if it had like a 3 years or something, that should apply. That should be done by the shop which installed it. This tie rod end is good. This outer tie rod end has no play, but guess what? I already grabbing on this tire. The wheel bearings are okay. The lower ball joints seems to be very recent, beautiful. But already this inner tie rod end, which you can see here how it looks like. So that's under that boot. That one already has a play too. When I'm grabbing the wheel, it's not here, but it's right there. So this Rack&Pinion is actually a pretty big failure. I hope you will find this video interesting and helpful, and please be subscribed. If you like it, give it a thumb up, because I have way more stuff coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.